Hello, dear judges and organizers. I'm Adam Fleber from Hungary, and I want to show you how the judging part of the scoring platform works, what functions it has, and how you can reach them. This is the opening page you see now when you log into the platform, and the menu that is interesting for us can be found at the top here. Probably you do not see as many options as I do because I can access more functions as a head judge, but let's go over them. I will show you parts that you do not see as well so that you have an overall idea how it works, and also it is possible you become a head judge in your country, so it can be useful on the long run. First, let's click on the tables, where you can see, set, and edit the competition tables. Just some background information: when the competition is held offline, teams and judges are assigned to physical competition tables, usually 8 teams and 2 judges per table. In the online format, it is also easier to manage teams and judges by assigning them to virtual tables. Judges will only be able to see and score the tables that they are assigned to. So even a coach in one age group can be a judge in another age group. They will not access tables they should not see. Now let's get back to the platform itself. You can narrow down the tables to a given event here in this drop-down. For this presentation, let's see the Montenegro 2021 competitions. You can see already some information on the tables page here, the name of the table itself, which competition it belongs to, the age group, of course, judges assigned, which is none at the moment, but we will change that shortly, and the number of the teams at that competition at that table. By clicking on the Edit button, you can edit the judges, and also you can go further into the teams of the table who are assigned to this table. Selecting judges is as easy as this. You just come here and you select the judge you want to add to the table. You press Save, and it automatically takes you to the tables of this competition. As you can see, the tables are listed here for the whole Montenegro competition for the different age groups. On the left side, you can see this is the VDO age group. On the left side, you can see the teams listed who registered for this competition. And by just clicking on them and holding the left mouse button, you can just assign them to the table. And there you also can see that the selected judge for this table is me at the moment, which we did on the previous page. If you want to add more tables, of course, you can just press Add New Table. The new table appears, and with editing, you can give it a table name and select the judges for it. Also, this is where you can delete the table with just 2 easy clicks. Now let's put these teams back on the left side because they have not been assigned properly. This is just a presentation. Of course, the platform itself automatically and immediately saves any changes, so nothing is lost while you are working and if something happens. Now let's go over to scoring, which is a bit more important in the sense that as a judge you will access and get to know this page a bit more. Here you can narrow down the search and you can check out more easily what you are looking for. For example, now let's look at the Montenegro scoring sheet for this year's competition. And as you can see, there are vital informations already listed here, like the competition that the team is in, the language, the age group, the name of the team, number of files they have uploaded. It's of course 0 now because they haven't uploaded any files yet. The exact time in seconds of the robot run they did, and also the points that they got for their robot run. The status will tell you that the scoring sheet has or hasn't been closed yet. And here at Notified, you will see that the team got a notification of their score or they didn't. This is very important because after you scored and you closed the scoring sheet, And if you notify the team, then they will have to confirm the points that they got. Otherwise, they will not get any ranking. If they are not happy with their points, then they can write to the head judge with their problems and complaint, and it will be dealt with, of course, before the results are announced. And here at the scoring, you can just click to access the scoring sheet. And this is the actual scoring sheet that you will see when you are scoring the teams. Here's the team name, the age group, the competition they are in. With white, you can see the maximum points that are achievable. And with the orange, you can see the points that the team actually got for this robot run. On the right side, here is where you will find the uploaded files. You will not be able to check them out online, but you will have to download them all to watch the videos and to watch the documentation of the programming. After that, you come back here, of course, and when the scoring period has started, you will be able to fill in the points. And here are the criteria to give points for the team. It is the exact same as the scoring sheet that you can see in the age group rules. And you will only have to count the number of cases that are relevant. So energy unit, for example, the first one, energy unit completely in a house but not matching the energy identifier color for that house or the surplus energy source. If the other criteria is not met, so this is the only one for one identifier, for one energy unit that is valid, then you just pick the number, how many of that is currently valid. And if there's one energy unit, then you will say 1. And the system automatically will calculate the points here. So you do not have to do the math, actually. As you've seen, also on the right, there's an activity timeline where you can keep track of what changes have been made to the scoring sheet. This is for basically security reasons and quality management, so that if anything happens, then we can check out what happened exactly, why did the time change or something like that. It's very important to put 0 even if there is no points, because if you don't put a 0, then you will not be able to close the scoring sheet. Also on the right, you will see an internal comment box. This is something the team does not have access to. So if you are working in pairs or even more judges are checking, or you want to leave some comments for the head judge, then you can put it here, save the comment, and from the judges and the head judge, if they come here, they will see what is the questions or why the given point is for the team. Okay, if you go down, you will have to fill in all the points, as I said, with only the number of cases that are relevant. So that, as I said before, the calculations will be done by the computer. And here you can set the time, let's say 23 seconds. That's quite a fast robot run, actually. And after you filled it, then you will be able to close the scoring. I will not do this because this is a live team actually now, but they don't have a file uploaded, so anyway. But you will close the scoring, and after closing the scoring sheet, another button will appear here with which you can send the user the notification of their score. As I said, it's really important because they have to confirm it, otherwise it's not valid score. And basically, this is it. This is all you have to know with the tables and with the scoring. And as a judge, these scoring sheets will be the most important things to reach. Also, it will be easier for you as a head judge. I'm looking at all the possible scoring sheets. As a judge, you will only see the scoring sheets for the tables that you are assigned to, so it will be a lot easier for you, and you will not have to scroll down with all these competitions and all these tables. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you will enjoy judging the WRO competitions. Goodbye for now.